Hey guys, welcome to Unik channel. With New Year 2020 arriving, almost all of us are waiting for 12 o'clock so that we all can start celebrating New Year. While we are waiting, some of them might have already started celebrating, and while we are celebrating, some of them will be waiting to celebrate New Year. So in this video, we'll see which country celebrates New Year first and which country celebrates New Year last. Since the introduction of Gregorian calendar in 1582, New Year has been celebrated on January 1st. Many people across the world consider the firework display in the Sydney Harbour, Australia as the beginning for New Year celebrations. However, New Year is first celebrated in the small island nations of Kiribati, Tonga and Samoa in the Pacific Ocean. These islands are around 6.5 to 8.5 hours ahead of India, which means they'll start celebrating New Year when it's December 31st, 3:30 in the evening in India. These are the countries to celebrate New Year first in the world, which is then followed by New Zealand, Australia, Japan and South Korea, and then the other countries. Now that we know which country celebrates first, we'll see which country celebrates last. The small outlying islands of the US, the Baker and the Howland Island are the last to celebrate New Year. These countries are typically 17.5 hours behind of India. They start celebrating New Year when it's January 1st evening in India. But these two islands are uninhabited, making the people of American Samoa to be the last ones to celebrate New Year. So why does some countries celebrate New Year first and some countries celebrate New Year last? This is because Earth has around 24 different time zones. Each country has different time zone based on the rotation of Earth. We all know that Earth has imaginary lines called latitudes and longitudes, right? The longitudes here are the ones that corresponds to the time zone. The time changes plus or minus 1 hour corresponding to the prime meridian. The prime meridian is the 0 degree longitude. So every 15 degree to the east of prime meridian adds 1 hour, while every 15 degrees to the west of prime meridian minuses 1 hour. The time zones are drawn based on national and international boundaries, and therefore they are not a straight line. And this is the reason why Baker's Island celebrates New Year last, even though it's only 947 kilometers away from Kiribati, the island that celebrates New Year first. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe. Wish you all a happy New Year.